Hello everyone, welcome to the Architectural Intelligence. I'm Haider, and here we master architecture together from powerful Revit tutorials and designs. Whether you are a student, designer, or a pro architect, this channel is all about intelligence of architecture and to learn, create, and grow. As we know, the AI is now growing and evolving. So this keep it in mind. I make the channel for architects to how we can use AI models into architect softwares to save our time. Let's go. In the today video, we are going to make a neoclassical house architect design with the photorealistic render with the help of AI models. Remember, in Revit, the first step we need to set first level for floors and set height as per your design or standard heights. Okay, so I'm just giving a value to the floors, and you can check here the floor, ground floor, the plinth floor, the first floor, and the roof floor. Okay, taking a standard height like yes, 10 feet 6 inches floor to floor. Okay, now I'm giving it the first floor. This is on the roof floor. Okay, now I'm renaming the in the properties panel, like sorry, on the project browser. Here you can see like the plain floor, first floor, and ground floor. Okay, uh for the first like we will delete the floor plane floor. We need no need of the plane floor now for the now, so it's okay. Okay, now we are going to make the wall. So with the property panel we will add the thickness and the texture of the wall. So let's make the floor layout, and where the wall will now make the floor layout. Let's make an exterior wall of the building, and with a reference line I align the exact measurement 25 by 60 feet. Okay, so well, here we will use to the dimension text height. Now for the interior layout we will make 1 BHK in the ground floor. Okay, so for in the front of the hall, the kitchen, and the bedroom. Let's here we will make a hall, and with upstairs, like attach, in the hall we will make the staircase. Here is the 17 feet. I will just adjusted 17 feet kitchen. Now let's see. Here is the opening. We can see 60 feet height of the 60 feet length. I just draw the reference line for the open to sky. We will make the open to sky there. We will like mm, make the tree or garden there, the open tree. Let's see. I will use the exact measurement 10 feet. 10 feet by 16 feet. With the plaster, it going half inches is extra. So here behind the kitchen, we will make one the courtyard. Okay, I have idea of the courtyard. So the room, hall, there is a dining, the kitchen. With the nameplate, we will make the kitchen now. The area of the room 160 square feet. Okay. The division of the room layout, we will use the living room, the 200 something, 200 square. Well, we will make the staircase here. Let's make the boundary first of all. And there is first riser will be the landing, like it's the bigger one, and it's up to slab height. Okay, let's make again with proper measurement. 3 feet first flight. The there will be 18 risers for the and 10 feet 6 inches height. So you can see here it's 13 feet. Okay, now we will make offset of 3 feet because for the plinth level. You can see the elevation. We will make the bedroom door. Here's the block plugin. We'll insert the interior material, the families, everything that you wanted. Hmm. Here the courtyard, the open to sky, to the kitchen. We are just organizing the best floor layout. Let's see how it's will become. Okay, I'm just organizing everything by grouping and aspect ratio. I don't think uh, let's make the bedroom in the right side corner, and we will make the laundry or the common toilet here, and then to the attached toilet to the bedroom. Okay, here it's okay now. We also make the courtyard and the kitchen. We have still the length for the hall in front. Okay, we made already the 15 feet, 16 feet for the parking. Let's make. Also, below the staircase landing, we can make the store or the toilet. Okay, the common toilet is the good idea below the staircase, and we will extend the courtyard. Okay, now it's a 10 feet. The laundry, we can make the laundry there. So curtain wall is here for the another courtyard. Okay, now align the wall heights with the floor height, actual floor height. Now you will align the door heights equally, so for the greater look. We can see here in Enscape the render. I was just experimenting the dining table sizes, how it's look. Let's see with the minimal sizes of the dining table. Okay, well, height will be the 30 inches. Okay, let's give the material texture and let's see the box. Okay, no worry. The dining table we will make will place in another position the dining table. Okay, I just remove the wall and here 11 feet is the 5 feet. I will make this 4 feet there. 4 feet is the enough. Okay. Let's find the chairs. You can see the dining table position. Let's make the first floor layout. Okay. We can see here the ground floor layout as a view range for the reference. So we will make the first floor layout by reference of the ground floor. We'll cut out the open to sky slabs, courtyard and the second. There are two courtyards. Here, for the first area space, we will use for the terrace and the balcony, and another one is the bedroom. There is two bedroom. You can place that two bedroom. And here is you can see here. This is the roof floor. I made the directly slab. Okay, the parapet wall with a height of 42 inches. It means 3.5 feet. So we invisible the base layout of the ground floor and we'll make the, let's see here, we can make the bathroom for this bedroom. Oh, you can use the common toilet, or let's see, we can use the also attached toilet. One window and door also play, or we can use the French door in the middle. Let's find the French door. Okay, you can place the French door. Here we will level up the staircase, the existed staircase to the up floor. Okay, let's hmm, we will correct the risers to the 7 inches. Okay, let's make this is the you can see the we are going to the 3D view of the building, you know, in the outside, the exteriors. So let's make a entrance design. Now we need to make the design wall to the entrance. Let's make. I made the curtain walls here, but I don't think it's good enough. So I made a decision to make another, but for the neoclassical house design, we will make. Okay. I said to the main entry door. This is the and another wall. So it will be exact in the middle portion. Okay. Let's make exact position. Set it. Now you can see here the front, the pillars. Here the front wall we will make the windows, the symmetric windows in both sides. Okay, like here I made the window. Now the same window sizes, which will be in a symmetric, the right position. Okay, and the same with align the same window we will be the place in the first floor. Okay, let's align the things and the proper measurement. We will they extend the slab, like the cantilever slab, to the porch. Let's make the outline of the slab area. We can make this up to 3 feet. Okay, now let's and for the modeling things we can use we will like the casework is the best option for the modeling, the extra works to the design things. Okay, let's make the sweep is the we can rotate the the model like around this perimeter of the object. Now I just made the cornice, and let's let's see how it will be become. I will show you. Now you can see the cornice around the boundary of the slab. Okay, this is the first step, and sweep is the best option, like to choose the cornice, like, and it's very important things to the design in the neoclassical architects, and it is very helpful for the design. Now we will align. Let's make. I slightly increase the door of the, the size of the door uh, of the main entrance door. Now around the wall we will make the box, and for the wider pillars we will mirror it on the right side, and adjust here. And it will be the touch the geometry to the above above slab. Okay, now you can see the slightly. Now, well, there is a staircase head. We'll adjust later. Okay, we align with the exact position like the to the bottom slab of the porch. Okay, just let's follow the procedure step by step, as you can see here. For the porch door, same as the below. You will see here. We need to make the whole wall with a double. Okay, so our window will be placed inside. of the wall. Let's see. We will give a depth with the 9 inches or 6 inches is much better. Let's see. Yeah, you can see here. It's not correct, so we will align again. Okay. Now we will make the edges like the molds, like the cornice around the window, the whole window. You can see here. Which depth of 2 inches or 3 inches. Same as like the second 1.5 inches. Yeah, it's the 1.5 inches is much good, but let's see how it means. This is the beam things like we beam bottom, we open the windows like below the beam bottom directly, so everything will be as well as we will make to the door. Okay. We will make another cantilever slab at the top of the parapet level. You can see here. And the surrounding of the parapet wall and make 9 inches box. Let's make okay. This is the border. Width of 3 inches. I will give the mold outside of that to look like the neoclassical design. Okay, let's make another cornice. Top of the slab, roof of slab. Okay, no, it's little bit outside. Let's make stick to the wall. We'll make the LED strip light. We will make the void the half inches or 8 inches. It's okay off. Okay, you can see here. Now for the window, we will make the glazing, the edge of, middle of the wall. It's a empty glazing, the glass, the plain glass. Okay, we'll make the frames after it. You're gonna add the plinth level and the ground level. Slightly we can make the casework and give the bottom 3. Okay, it's okay. This is good. We will attach to the base level of the parking floor, like the ground level, actual ground level. Okay, We will use a mullion with the help of grid curtain system, and let's as per oh, the neoclassical designs, we will give the curtains the frames which is look nicer. Let's see. We did make the ceilings to the passage, so we'll make the ceilings. For the railing, we will use the wall border area, and above that, the brickwork, we will make the railing. Let's see, you can see here. In Enscape is the very best option for the rendering in Revit. Only for photo, the image generation, the render quality is very good. Um, I'll use the curtain glasses and the frames for the main entrance. Let's see how it's look. Also, I have another option. I will use the French door, and we'll change the color, the material texture. Okay. We can't set the door in the curtain walls. We actually need the brick wall. Okay, here I use the wall, you can see, and I set the French door. I also add Enscape, the asset in the asset model. Also buildings of the assets to the near of the building. You can see. I will hide it for temporarily. Now we will focus on the texture. Let's see about the texture, how it's look. So all frame will be black color. So we will use the black powder coated color. Will do. What is for the porch? I make the railing and mm, on the wall. Okay. We will for the railing we will replace the texture with the black. Okay. Yeah. the round pipes, it's look greater instead of the square pipes. Well, let's we will replace the texture of the front side. I don't know it will be look good, but let's see. But let's see. Okay, we need to find out the proper texture to greater look with like you know what. The main thing is in architect field there is a main thing actually about the color selections and the material textures. Okay, to give you proper design like I'm using now the tiles. Let's look. You can see. We need to retouch and we we will make here the passage door like the porch gallery. I use the curtain grid system and will make mullion and we'll use this door, the glass door. Okay, we'll also like make the color. Now it's not look better, but I have another idea. Let's make that. Okay, we will use the vertical grid everywhere. You can see I'm experimenting the various textures to give a final touch. Okay, now you can see here. I will replace the door color with black. Okay, here is looking wooden, but black powder coating you always mm, looks very great. In the properties panel in a Revit, there is awesome things like the properties panel, the frame, the panel, the glass, everything is there. Exterior material, trim material, internal, everywhere. I don't think it's a nice texture, but let's see. By offset of eye level, like the 4 feet 6 inches, I'm giving a camera angle. You can see here. Here in a properties panel, we will the eye elevation give you the proper position to great looking perspective. Okay, let's make. Let's replace the another texture. Okay, wait. It's also look very. I don't think, but let's see. You can see here. Yeah, it's look, but I don't like it. To neoclassical house design, I don't think it's a good idea. But let's check another texture. Okay. Here the lining are the vertical, so let's rotate into the 90 degree, and we'll change the scales. it's look bad. Let's search the texture, Altals texture. On the Pinterest, you will find the millions of textures by liking it and by the design requirement. Now it's look good finally. After the building of main modeling, we also need to make the environment like the road, the parking, the garden, pathway, etc. For the pathway, we will give the texture like this and the roads. Okay, now it's a little bit not looking good, the pavements. So I will replace the pavement texture with the in the lining. We can adjust the offset, so we will shift completely, and the vertical lines will be hide. So okay, now it's look nice. The only horizontal linings are be visible. And we will make the cornice to the bottom part to the plinth level as we made in the first floor, like okay. Let's see. It's looking same as above. Can we mirror it to the above? Let's make. I don't think, but we can try. Now it's look good, and you can see. And now make the entrance staircase. So I don't think, but I was thinking like we will go to the stone texture, but let's see. Let's make a boundary of staircase and the rises. We also make a nosing to the steps. So 1 inch is enough to the only threads. Now the elevation base of this staircase will be the to the ground level. Okay, not as a plinth. So I just made 3.6, 3 feet 6 inches, and now it's Okay. Thickness 2 inches is enough, and 1 inches is the nose nosing length. 1 inches. You can see here. Now okay, we will align this box. No, no, it's now we will make the texture. Texture will be same as our building. Okay, we will shift the door little bit above because our steps are kind of below the plinth. Okay, now the vertical for looking aesthetic, like whenever see the frames, the vertical line, we will make the vertical lines above the door, the entrance door. Same we will make to the window, every window. Okay. We'll make a black as always. Yeah. Same as below the entrance door, we'll make here. Yeah, we didn't align with. You can see we will adjust the environment, sky, and the brightness, and the focal length. The density of the clouds will be little bit. Here you can see the now. So we will make same as this structure. This the vertical bar to every window. Okay, let's make. I was thinking we will fit it, but I think the sizes it's no space is not enough. But okay, now we will copy this to the bottom. We will align to this above part. Same as the center. Okay, you can see here. Let's make the environment. Here you look the texture of the wall. So for the staircase, flight we will make the same texture as our wall. Okay, let's make. Now it's look great now, same as everything. Okay. We will make the staircase head here. Yes. Uh, in the left window, if we forget about the frame, we bear. Okay. Now, what remains? Yeah, everything is fine now. Now let's focus on the rendering and the environment. Okay. So I don't like that pavement, so we'll make select the another pavement. Let's well we can see the pavement. I like it one, but let's make the compound wall. I just decided the compound wall, extend the compound wall. Okay, and let's make the garden on both sides. Okay, so you can see I will cut the concrete through this one. and make another one, a concrete, the floor, like I will make another the texture for this things, the garden. Okay, let's make. In texture, you can see the gravel. I choose gravel here. Let's make. Okay, in asset we will insert the plantation to look like. Hedge will be placed on both sides. Okay, here. Let's add some vegetations in the garden to feel like the best look. Okay, some so add some bushes to everywhere. Can see now. So we will add some street lamp. Our video is only focused on the exterior things, so in the next video we are going to learn about how to make roof. So tune in this channel and just hit the bell icon and subscribe button. Okay, now we finished our exterior, and let's make the compound wall. You can see. Okay. Uh, this is the rendering, and let's adjust some environment. So you can see here after rendering. Now, yeah, now it's look good at the timing of 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. 5 or 4 p.m. Okay. Now we will make the post production. I have also the top page AI photo to enhance photo quality. You can and then after you will go to the ChatGPT and render it like likewise, as you know. I'm giving you a prompt. So let's type some the light effects, exterior sunlight effect, blue sky with the telephoto and high resolution portrait. Okay, perspective, and yeah, it's now correct. Save these images and just compare the both pictures, the before and after. You can see here. Okay, the modeling is not modified but only texture. You can see the little bit and the giving the perfect camera angle and the light effect and the sky view. Yeah, and you know, I'm currently working on some exciting new content for the channel, bringing you smarter, sharper, and more creative architectural tutorials and designs. I'm using AI tools like ChatGPT to help streamline my post production workflow. It's all part of my mission to make this channel even more valuable for all of you, whether you are an architecture student, a designer, or just someone passionate about great design. Let's design smarter together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe button. And thank you for being part of this journey with architectural intelligence.